Hello guys, this is Ayush Chugga and today we are going to solve Laplace transformation of a function ft equal to sin 2t. Let's start. So Laplace transformation when applied to a function changes a function into a new function by a process which involves integration only. So today we have our function ft equal to sin 2t. So Laplace transformation equal to Lt equal to limits 0 to infinity e raised to the power minus st sin 2t dot dt. So we'll solve this integration by using binary parts. So this will be our first and this will be second. So sin 2t we will write it as sin 2t integration e to the power minus st 0 to infinity dt minus differentiation of this one 2 cos 2t integration of this one e to the power minus st and whole integration dt. So now sin 2t it will return e to the power minus st by minus s limits 0 to infinity minus integration 2 cos 2t this one 2 comes outside cos 2t first integration of this cos 2t e to the power minus st and upon minus s let's take this outside minus s dt. So now putting limits at this equation, the part 1, so limit t tending to infinity, at limit t tending to infinity this one will be sin 2t e to the power minus wait a second, let's write it now, e to the power st minus into s. So when t will tend to infinity, sin t infinity we can say the maximum value of sin can be 1, and when t is infinity e to the power minus e to the power infinity, this will make this whole term tend to 0 because this is a very huge value and 1 upon very huge value can be neglected by saying it can be tending to 0. So this will tend to 0, and when minus for this sin to limit t tending to 0 sin 2t e to the power minus st, again let's take this in denominator e to the power st into s minus and now when t tends to 0 this value will tend to 1 because e raised to power 0 is 1, anything raised to power 0 is 1. So but when 0 comes in the bracket of sine function, the sine function will tend to be 0 and this whole term will tend to be 0. So this function is equal to 0. So we can say 0 minus 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 plus, so 0 2 by s 0 plus 2 by s integration cos 2t, sorry for the camera, I forgot, cos 2t e raised to the power minus st dt 0 to infinity. So let's proceed further. So integration of this part will be let's take 2 by s and this will be cos 2t e raised to the power again cos 2t using by parts cos 2t integration e to the power minus st integration e to the power minus st dt minus again differentiation of this function, it will be integration minus sin minus 2 sin 2t minus 2 sin 2t integration e raised to the power minus st by s whole dt. So now solving this, 2 by s cos 2t e raised to power minus st by minus s, limits infinity to 0. So for this term we'll say when t tends to infinity, cos 2t will be when will be infinity, this term will come in denominator, and again this term will tend to 0 cause there will be a very huge value in the denominator. So when this value will tend 1 upon this infinity value will tend out to be 0, and now when so 2 by s, we will say this one will be 0 minus, so when we put 0, limit tending to 0, so this will tend out to be cos 2 0 will be 1 cause cos 0 is 1, so we'll say this will be 1, and e raised to the power 0, anything raised to power 0 is also 1, so we'll say this will be minus 1 by s. Yep. So in the end this will come out to be plus 1 by s. Let's solve again further after this. So this will be our next term, so minus integration minus sine 2t. So let's take minus 2 and s common from this whole term. This will be minus 2 by s and integration of sine 2t e to the power minus st dt. If we'll see carefully, this term is equal to the term we started in the beginning. Here it is. Yeah, these both terms are equal, so we'll put this as wait a second, minus, wait, let it put as 2 by s, minus minus replaced, and this will be Laplace of t as I have shown it above, 0 to infinity. Yeah. So basically this is our function which we were finding out, L equal to t equal to this function. So when we equate both of these, L t 2 by s, 1 by s plus, here it will be 2 by s Laplacian t. So yeah, so we forgot 1 minus 1. Wait a second, when we were integrating this should be minus 1 minus, yeah, so this one should be minus also, so this will be minus, yeah. So we can say LT by equating both the sides equal to 2 by s square minus 4 by s square Laplacian of t. Taking Laplacian of t common, so 1 plus 4 by s square equal to 2 by s square. Now taking LCM, so it will become LT in the bracket 1 plus s square plus 4 upon s square equal to 2 by s square, cutting both of them, so this will be Laplacian of t equal to 2 by s square plus 4. So we can say Laplacian of function sine 2t equal to 2 by s square plus 4. Thank you.